Hey man, how's it going? No, I stopped you. You just blew through a red light. You okay?
Yeah.
What's going on?
I'm just in a fight with my boyfriend.
Is this your boyfriend? Alright. What's going on with you guys?
She started just hitting on me, and I was trying to stop it. She's really mad at me for some reason.
You turn off the car. You want to step out and talk to me? Just step out and talk to me. You're not in trouble. We're freaking out. It's alright. Good luck here. You guys are just fighting?
Yeah.
What were you guys doing before this? Before the argument, where were you guys at?
Uber Eats.
Just over what?
Uber Eats.
Over Uber Eats?
I was doing a delivery and I canceled it because we started fighting.
Okay. You have to give me something more. I can't really understand what's going on if you just keep telling me that you're just fighting.
I don't know, we were just arguing and I canceled my Uber Eats and I was just gonna take us home.
Okay. You have anything in your purse?
No.
Have you had anything to drink tonight or anything like that? Have you had anything to drink tonight or anything like that? Alright. You just want to take a seat right here? I just don't know what's in this purse, so I'm going to throw it right here, okay? Talk to me. What's going on?
She just started hitting me in the car and told me to get out. And I was just trying to stop it, trying to calm her down.
Okay.
I don't know.
What kind of hitting?
It's tearing me up.
What were you guys going on? What happened before? Why are you guys arguing? People don't argue for no reason. There's a small, for any reason.